In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your browser due to a Chrome security bug quickly and safely. This is one of those simple tasks that can make a big difference because keeping Chrome updated helps protect you from security issues, improves performance, and makes sure you're using the latest features. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu, and it gives you access to Chrome's settings and tools. After the menu opens, move your mouse over Help. A small side menu will appear, and from there, click About Google Chrome. This page is where Chrome checks for updates automatically. As soon as you open it, Chrome will instantly scan for the newest security version and begin downloading it for you. You do not need to search for an update button or install anything manually. Just give it a moment and let the browser do its job. If there is a security update available, Chrome will handle the download in the background. This is especially important when there has been a Chrome security bug, because updates often include important fixes that help keep your data and browsing activity safer. While Chrome is checking and downloading, you may see a progress message on the screen. That means the update is in progress, so just wait until it finishes. Depending on your connection and system, this may only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you will see a blue Relaunch button appear on the screen. This button is what finishes the update process. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and reopen with the latest secure version installed. If you have any tabs open, Chrome may restore them after restarting, so you won't lose your place in most cases. After relaunching, your browser should now be updated and protected with the newest security fixes. It's a good habit to check for Chrome updates regularly, especially if you hear about a security bug or vulnerability in the news. Staying updated is one of the easiest ways to keep your device safer online. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.